Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to stop download recommendations on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. Scroll down. Tap on Downloads. On this page, you can find all the videos that you have downloaded on YouTube. We haven't downloaded any videos, but still, YouTube is recommending some videos to download based on our watch history. If you don't want to get this recommendation, tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of the page. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Toggle the button next to Recommended Downloads to turn it off. Now go back to Downloads page. As you can see, download recommendations stopped appearing on our Downloads page. This is how you can stop download recommendations on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.